Most people will happily eat white rice. However, those same people will often be quick to admit that white rice doesn't have much flavor in and of itself. For many cultures where rice is a staple, they may find themselves bored of rice and looking for ways to shake things up a bit. Thankfully, this wasabi-flavored furikake rice seasoning exists. Furikake is a very popular, dry Japanese seasoning. Though most popularly it is used on white rice, it can also easily be added to vegetables and fish. This particular product is full of many flavorful ingredients, such as sesame seeds, horseradish, shaved bonito, sugar, seaweed, soy sauce, salt, and rice cooking wine. It should be noted that this product does contain soy, sesame, and wheat, thus making it a possible allergen for people with those common allergies. The common belief is that furikake as we now know it is a derivative of a very similar product developed in the late 1910s by a Japanese pharmacist with the idea that it could serve as a calcium and nutritional boost for the Japanese population. It was commonly advertised as a good source of both protein and calcium. Initially, furikake was considered a luxury food, something that could only be purchased and used by those who were wealthy. However, by 1950, it was produced for mass distribution to help combat widespread malnourishment. After a series of iterations and evolutions, we have what everyone recognizes as the popular furikake that is used to give excellent flavor to commonly consumed foods. It is used on almost any dish and can be put on most foods. Furikake is traditionally brightly colored and is made up mostly of flakes. This makes it easily recognizable when sprinkled on top of white rice. It can also be sprinkled on noodles, salads, and vegetables. The serving size of this product is 1 tablespoon, which is approximately how much one would use to flavor their rice or other dishes. All furikake adds a unique and delightful flavor to any dish. However, this particular product has a great wasabi flavored feature that is sure to be enjoyed by anyone who loves having an extra kick to their food. This wasabi flavored product means it pairs very well with anything you would eat normally with wasabi, such as sushi or even potato chips. Your days of eating bland white rice can end today. Now I'm going to open this up and show you how the flakes look. It's sealed for freshness. As you can see, there's an oxygen absorber inside, and you can just keep that in there to make sure that this furikake seasoning stays fresh. Here you can see the flakes. You can see the sesame and some dried seaweed and other veggie flakes inside. I hope you'll try it out. It doesn't smell too strong, but there's definitely a seaweed smell. But it doesn't smell spicy, though the wasabi flavor does taste spicy. I hope you'll try this out.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.